Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy, Mr. Arkansas Swanger, man. We back with another video. Today, man, we gonna be installing these new C10 headlights. They the same ones that I currently have installed, but you know, I told you about some issues I had, so we're about to unbox these new ones, man, install them and kind of see what's going on with it, man. So here we go, man. Taped off my address, but yeah, I gotta bear with me. Try to open it while holding this camera. Okay, so here they are. That's the company, in case you can't see or understand what these letters are. It's Zjusdo. That's the company, man, that actually ships them when you order them from Amazon. There's some instructions. I'm just showing y'all. I already done seen most of this before. This comes in a box. Let's see, what else comes in a box? That little box. You got all the connectors. But anyway, I'm about to test these lights and make sure they all good before I actually install them. So give me a second, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we back, man. I'm finna take these headlight bezels off first, and then I get to test them. Matter of fact, I think I better stick with my original plan and test these lights before I actually install them in the truck, y'all. So give me a second. Okay, y'all can see I cut them on. Let me slide this over this way. Y'all see the top one ain't on this side because I just unplugged it. But we finna test the lights though. Okay. There's the new headlight. As y'all can see, it looks way different than that one or that one. So far, I'm kind of liking that. That looks decent. So hopefully, all of them works great. Trying to see. But anyway, y'all give me a second. We're gonna test another one. Matter of fact, since y'all see what that one look like, I won't come back unless I find something wrong with one of them, and then if I do, I'll come back and tell you. Alright, my people, man, I'm back. So all the headlights checked out, man. They all the same color and everything. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take these bezels off and get ready to change the headlights. But while I'm at it, I'm gonna show y'all an easy way to install them. It won't take you nothing but probably about, I don't know, probably 10-15 minutes, probably. But I'm about to take off the headlight bezels. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all. It ain't nothing but 4 screws to take the bezel off. I don't know how good y'all can see that, but it's 2 there and there's 2 down there. We about to take those off, and we about to get to it. So I'm gonna get this camera angle right so y'all can see. Alright, there we go. So I'm gonna snatch these off real fast. Alright, so we got the bezels out. So we got the bezels out on both sides. As y'all can see, got the bezels off. So then all you do is it's 4 bolts on each corner of this bezel, and basically you take them off to get the headlights out. And as far as the wiring, it's a couple ways you can do it, but it's two wires going to each park lamp. You can tap them, get you some electrical taps, and you can tap them 2 wires, and that'll give you your power and your ground. But you got to figure out which wire is which on these park lights, because one of the wires is for the signal. So make sure you have the one for the park light. So I advise you get you a test lamp and test the wires and see which one is positive all the time without the signal light on. That's the one you want to tap. And then turn the signal light on, test the other wire and figure out which one is for the signal light. And then you know the one that don't have power, that'll be your ground. In this case, I think it's the a black wire and a brown wire, but I got mine ran to a toggle switch. But I'm just showing y'all how easy it is to install. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all what the taps look like. I think I might have showed y'all the other day, but I'm gonna show y'all what the taps look like. Even though y'all can see it on the video, I'm gonna show y'all how you can tap the wires and get a connection. So let's see. I think we're gonna use the blue taps. Have to make sure that you get a good splice when you're doing this. So make sure you use the right splice, or you're gonna have issues. Trying to see, can I find a piece of wire or something I can tap, so I can show y'all how easy it is. And sometimes, matter of fact, I'm gonna use the little piece of speaker wire to show y'all. Sometimes though, them little things be hard to close. So sometimes I end up using wire pliers when I'm tapping. So I'm gonna show y'all right now what I'm talking about. So as you can see, we use this end. As you can see, the wire's already stripped a little bit. So what you'll do, matter of fact, let me get wire strippers. Crimpers. Alright, so I'm back. So get you some crimpers, just wire strippers, in case you need to strip your wire. Matter of fact, we'll strip this one. You just stick it on there and that strips the wire for you. I usually twist it a little bit. Just twist it a little bit. Matter of fact, so if you was hooking up these headlights, it come with this, right? This will screw into this little box. But this little box is what you actually have to give power to. Matter of fact, we'll just put some crimps on this. So this is what you actually use to give it power. So what you can do, you can take a crimp, put it on there, take your crimpers, crimp it, and you have that in. Then you take this in and you crimp the wires on your turn signal, your park lights, and you just stick it on the wire and you close it. And like I say, sometimes it'd be hard. I use some little pliers, so I take it and squeeze it on there sometimes when it's hard like that. So let's say this is your park light, signal light, whatever you want to call it. You take this, take the wires from your box, you plug them together into a click, and now you have your power wire ran to it without having to cut your wires, and then you have to connect them back together and all that. I recommend you just splice into them like that, man. It's much easier. But now that I explained that to y'all, man, I'm about to go ahead and switch all the headlights out on the truck, and I'm gonna be back and show y'all what it look like when I'm done, man. So y'all give me a minute, man. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back, and here's the final outcome. As you can see, all the lights are working. Let me see if I can cut the lights down so y'all can see. Yeah, there we go. Y'all can see they are now all the same color. So shout out to, I think you said their name Zjusdo or something, however you say it, but I think it's Zjusdo. But start with a Z. Matter of fact, that's the name of the company right there. Shout out to y'all for giving me a pair that works right. I'm trying to get this thing to focus back in. Camera tripping. There we go. But yeah, man, shout out to y'all, man, for sending me some that actually works, and all the LEDs the same color. Matter of fact, we're gonna test them and make sure all the colors work too, without any flaws. When you get these headlights, you do have to download an app from the App Store. It's called, well, you probably can't see it, I got the screen text on there, but I'll show y'all what's called in a minute. But I'm quite sure y'all can't see my phone. Let me kind of show y'all what the app look like. So it look like that. You go to scene modes, and that's where you can set them to change color. So let's say that one say color, I don't know what GRE, I don't know. Hold on, I think we might have to connect them. So light list, we'll click on mine and say disconnected up there. So push connect, it'll connect by Bluetooth. So now let's go back to scene modes and select it. Okay, there we go. So there go the colors. Let me cut it down so y'all can see again. Cut that down. So there we go. So far so good. You can individually select color. Just go up to light list, click on that little square there, and it got a little wheel of colors, and you can just select the color. Ooh, that blue look. Y'all can't really get it on camera how it really look, but it's deep. Dang, this camera ain't picking it up like I wanted to. But anyway, you know, they do change colors. So if you want to go back to white and you don't want to just find white, it's a little light bulb at the top. You click that little light bulb and go back to white. You click the little circle with the colors in it right here. Y'all can't really see it good. It's in the middle though. And then it go back to the colors. So that's how you work it. Pretty simple, man. Notice a long video. I wanted to make sure that y'all get the gist of how to operate these lights, as well as install them. But okay, so here you go. Just the name of the app. It'll be in the paperwork, but I'm just showing y'all, you know. So basically all you need is a ground and 12 volts, man, for these to work. I have mine hooked to a toggle switch, but all you have to do with that is take your black wire, ground it to your frame, take your red wire, run it to the switch, and then you take a wire from a 12-volt source and you wire it up to the switch, and once you click it a certain way, that's what make the bridge, and they come on like that. I got mine wired up there like that because I already had switches in the truck for the other set I had, and I didn't want them hooked to the park lights because they were green and most colors are illegal, so I had to hook to a switch. That way if I'm parked, somebody can cut them off. With these, you don't have to hook it to a switch because you can turn them off through the app, and the power will cut off with the park light. So I recommend you hook them to your wires to your park light, and that'll probably be better for you. But one more look, man. Shout out to them, man, for getting your boy right, man. So that thing look good, man. I'm gonna be keeping y'all up to date as far as how they hold up, man, if I have any more problems, man. But I think they got me right, man. I'm gonna say they got me right. So y'all just be on the lookout, man. Yeah, man, I done talked enough, man. Like I say, this video been long enough, man. It's your boy Arkansas Swanger, man, and we out of here.